If you're interested in DIY building projects for beginners, consider starting with woodwork. There are countless beginner-friendly woodworking crafts you can make with basic tools and inexpensive supplies. Here are some great ideas for woodworking projects to try. Wooden birdhouse. A birdhouse is an excellent addition to any garden or outdoor space. You can create them out of many household objects and materials, but a wooden birdhouse is a simple and satisfying building project. All you need are simple tools like a saw, drill, hammer, and nails. You can use plywood, treated lumber, or naturally rot-resistant wood depending on climate. Create a box shape and cut an entrance hole on one side large enough for birds. Add a dowel rod as a perch and you'll have a perfect DIY birdhouse for your yard in a single weekend. Wooden welcome mat. Craft a simple and stylish welcome mat for your front porch using wood planks. A wooden mat with diagonal slats is perfect for scraping mud and dirt from shoes, and also allows excess moisture to drain through. For this building project, you can use reclaimed wood or brand new lumber cut to size. All you need for this project are simple tools like a miter box, hammer, nails, and wood glue. Reclaimed wood picture frame. Reclaimed wood is a wonderful material for building projects with a rustic charm. A great beginner woodworking idea is using reclaimed wood planks to craft picture frames. You can use wood from old pallets or any other type of scrap wood you prefer. Cut to size, sand and stain with your choice of finish to display photos, artwork, and more with unique homemade decor. These are just a few examples of woodworking projects perfect for beginners. All can be customized to fit your specific needs and creative style. Keep these ideas in mind the next time you want to build your own wooden decor.